This is a 2010 Mazda CX-7. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 54,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Andy Moore Buick GMC is the place to find new and pre-owned cars and trucks in Indianapolis. You can search our new and used car inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us at 9295 East 131st Street in Fishers, or see us online at andymoorebpg.com.